Hello and welcome to 2117 South 13th. We're here in Soulard, one of the oldest neighborhoods in the city. This house itself said to have been built in 1894 and has the typical mansard roof of the era, along with the deep Victorian detailing just below that. Coming towards the house, we're also on, it's not exactly a double lot, it's more of a sideways lot. So because of the density of this neighborhood, homes were often built to side yard rather than a backyard. You can take a look up here and see some of this detailing around the trim, as well as over the porch here too. Some of the original detailing over the doors. We have a mechanical doorbell, which is not currently functioning. So we're entering here. Bear with me for a second. I think, there we go. For some reason the phone wasn't, or the light wasn't adjusting well. So we enter the house. We're entering into the dining room here. And this has had some updates done to it. The plaster's been removed from the brick, exposing that, as well as the ceiling, giving a more open, almost a Tudor style feel to this dining room. Has what looks like the original flooring here. That's very consistent with the era. And we walk in to the living room. So you can see the way this house is designed. We have two rooms here. They're currently open with a French door. I'm not sure if that was the way the house is built, or if that was added later. The hardware looks like it's quite old, but who knows if it's from the 1890s. And then we have a transom going through to the kitchen, and that's a side hinge transom, which is a little bit unusual. Coming into the kitchen, 42-inch cabinets, very tall windows. Pantry wall. Obviously, quartz countertop. Stove. And we do have a breakfast table in here, as well as a breakfast bar. And let's not forget there's also the dining room that we walked into. Here's another transom. And then here in the hallway, as we come around, we have a half bath with vanity. And this opens off to the side backyard, or the side yard, I guess we'd say. Not side backyard. This is quite a decent size. Set up like a courtyard. We do have gated parking. AstroTurf section here, as well as a shaded patio. You can get a good view of the side of the building here. Exterior walkout for the cellar basement. Or basement, I guess, not cellar. Cellar doors for the basement. That's the word I was looking for. But as we come back in, you can see this is what probably would make sense as the main door that you'd use, because then you walk into the dining room, kitchen, living room, rather than directly from the street into the dining room. So I'm guessing that most of the people on the day when this house was new used the side door rather than the front. So we come upstairs. See the original woodwork on the staircase. Have a laundry on this floor. As well as the main bathroom. So these windows are white double pane. They don't have to be historic because they're alley facing. A shower and toilet back there. And French doors. First of the bedrooms here. Again, original transoms. And then we have a bricked up fireplace here, which is not unusual, as well as a little decorative chimney cover, I guess you'd call it. So coming back around, we have a second bedroom here. Very wide hallway. Painted floors in here. And so this one has a mantelpiece that's a little bit fancier, same as in the dining room. I don't know if those are original to the house or if they were reclaimed from another property. The doors here, those do look to be in keeping with the house. And then as we come up to the third floor, we have it set up almost as a house in reverse. Whereas many people have the basement as the recreation room, here they've built a recreation room on the top floor. So we do have still a pretty good ceiling height up here. Again, original wood floors. Looks like pine in this case. Little wet bar with refrigerator. You can see some of the original exposed wood for the structure there. Then we have this bathroom. Again, good sized shower with sitting bench. Vanity and toilet. And we have vane tile 2x4 panels there. So we come down the hallway again. Little storage closet. It's an extra furnace for this level. And then we have bedroom number 3. Which again, also good size. You can see more of the exposed brick here. So we come back down. I'll lead us down back to the front door. It is unusual that this staircase, which is clearly original based on the use the wood's seen over time, was not fancier than it is, given the amount of detail that went in ornamentation that went into the exterior of the home. It didn't extend into here. I hope you find this video interesting. Please remember to like and subscribe, and let us know if there's any other homes you'd like to see toured. Thank you.